everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Danmuga. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you are updated to my Edisci vlogs, my tutorials, and my travels. So for this tutorial, I want you to know how to make your own virtual Google Slide classroom. So since we are in a distance learning, we are in a remote learning, and now we were going to give a vibe to our students that even though we are in a virtual classroom, even though that we are in a virtual class or online class, we will give them the classroom vibe digitally. Okay, so we will make a digital classroom in our slides to present to them so that they will be able to see what will be their classroom look like. Okay, classroom like based on our own design, based on our own prefer. Okay, so that will be the basis of your own virtual classroom. So even though you can decorate, you miss the decoration, you miss the designs, and to put all the colors, to put all the different stuffs inside your physical classroom. This time it's something like that, but more on copy paste or insert images that we are going to do right now. More on images, more on inserting, and more on we are going to decorate virtually. Okay, so I think that you are ready, and just sit back, relax, and you will finish this. Okay, so that you will see the finished product of our own virtual classroom in our presentation. So with no further ado, let's go to our browser. Okay, so you can do this in your PowerPoint presentation, or you can also do this in your Google Slide presentation, whichever you like. Okay, so you can, if you're using Microsoft PowerPoint, that's okay. If you're using your Google Slide, that's okay too. And then let's just rename this one into virtual classroom. Sorry. As a virtual classroom, because I just wanted to make them feel that they're still inside the classroom. Okay, so you don't have to set up the slide, okay, the size of the slide, but this is okay. If you want to change the setup, that's okay, but for me this one is okay. So the first thing that we have to do is to choose a background. Okay, so let's go to insert here. Just go to insert and then image. Search the web. Since this is online, we can directly go to the Google engine, searching engine. Let's look for, maybe we can 3D classroom, something like that. So you can imagine like this one, they are not it. Maybe we can animated one. But whichever you like, you can do it. But if you're not yet like me, I'm not like satisfied with those photos, we can open another tab. Just click Control N, and then let's go to Google, and then let's look for animated classroom. Background. There you go. So for an instance, this one, you can choose this one, you can choose this one also if you want a brighter background, but I guess this is not fitted to your, this is not fitted to your slide, so maybe we can choose this one, and might as well choose high definition image, okay, especially in this background and without watermark. So for an instance, maybe we can look at this one, or we can see more of them. There you go. There's a lot of them. You can choose this one, but for me it's not. For me it's not a classroom. Okay, you can also choose this one. What else? This one, okay. Mhm. This one is not good because it has the watermark. Okay. Whichever you like. Maybe I will choose this one. So this one is what I like. Just copy it, or if you want to save the image, save image as, and then so that you can easily find it, go to your desktop and then just save it over there. There you go. And then let's go back to our Google slide. Where are your Google slide? There you go. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to insert again, since we already have the image. So let's go to insert, then upload from the computer. And then let's search for what we have here. There you go. And then ta-da! For you to be able to resize it with the same length and the same width, go to the corner over here. This is where you're going to resize the image, okay? And it will not be look like a stretch one or an elongated one. There you go. So for me, this is enough. And I will set this as my background. So as you can see, you can decorate this one based on your own preferences. Okay, whichever you prefer, you can put it inside your classroom. Okay, so maybe we can look for a clock. You can go to insert again, and then go to image, search the web, animated clock, PNG, so that you will choose an image with no background. So the format is a PNG, or you can type there no background or transparent. That's okay. So meaning to say, the image that you're going to insert has no background. Okay. So maybe we can choose this one. And then you just drag it and then drop. And then let's wait. Oh, it has the background. So we're going to choose another one. Let's look for this one. Okay, there you go. It doesn't have the background, so this is fit to our classroom. And I will put you over here, I guess. Okay, I will put you over here. There you go. Resize it whichever you like. So you can resize it like a big clock or whatever it is. And then we can search also, since this is a science class, we can search science banner. Let's see if they have it. Banner. There you go. Okay, let me see. Let me see if we have it. I think because when you search here, it's very limited. So we can go to the other side. Okay. Go here and then let's look for science banner. There you go. But there's a lot of science banner here, huh? Okay. Maybe we can choose one that will suit to our classroom. I like the one that is being animated. It's very fit to our Google Classroom. Virtual Google Classroom, rather. Maybe we can use also this one. You can copy, and then let's try to paste it. Then paste it. Control C and Control V. There you go. Oops. Resize it. Okay, so we have now the science banner, and let's search for what else? Maybe books or bookshelves, something like that. Okay, let's look for a bookshelf, so that it will become like a school vibe or a classroom vibe. See? Bookshelf and then PNG. Okay, there you go. We have PNG over there. Let's look for animated one. Let's look for a small one, I guess. Maybe not this one. Maybe this one. Okay. I think this one will do. Let's copy it and then let's go here and then let's paste it. There you go. Then let's resize it. Then we can put it over here, whichever you like. Okay, there you go. So we have books, we have the clock, and then maybe we can search for an apple, something like that. Maybe this one. Look for another one, I guess. Okay, okay. Apple. Give me some apple over there. There you go. But not as big as this one. Like an apple size. Okay, and then put it on the top of my desk. And maybe we can search for a skeletal system. Okay, let's look for a skeletal system. Animated skeletal system. Okay, so that the vibe is like a science classroom. So that's the very important thing, since this is a virtual classroom, so we need to put all the things that is very applicable to our classroom. Okay, so let's look for, I think, this one. Let's find that one. Okay, maybe not this one. This one, all are transparent. Okay, this one. See if this one is transparent. No, this is not transparent. Maybe this one. So hard to find skeletal system with transparent background. This one. Okay, let's copy image and then let's paste the image here. There you go. Then let's put it maybe on the side. It's like a model, something like that. Not as small as this one. Maybe we can put it over here. There you go. And also you can put some charts. So if you're a science teacher, so look for maybe solar system chart. System chart. There you go. And then let's just search it in the web. Then maybe I like this one. I like this one. And then let's copy it. And then let's go to this side. Then paste it. Since it has excess, so you go here, crop image. Then just crop it down. And then just crop it over here. So make sure that both sides are equal. And then resize it. And then let's put it over here. Okay, so we have now the chart. We have now some models here. So It's kind of look like now a virtual classroom. So the first thing that we need to have in mind is to have a concept of what will be our virtual classroom look like. Okay, so if you can copy your physical classroom in our school, that's okay. But if you want to improve, that's okay too. And the missing part is the teacher, myself. So I have here my avatar. If you have your avatars with you, that's okay. So I will upload my GIF avatar. Okay, so that it's moving. This one. Okay. I will look for my best avatar, like a teacher. I think this one. Yeah, there you go. So I'm waving my hand. A little bit bigger, I guess. There you go. So you can, I can choose this one and I can choose the other one. So I can also choose the one, like, I guess this is the avatar that is explaining. There you go. I can choose this one or I can choose this one. So this Zepero avatar are very interactive. So I have now myself there so that I'm waving my hands to my student and I can put whatever what I want on the blackboard. Okay, so I can say like, welcome to Science 7 classroom. Let's go here. Let's add text. And then just like that. And then welcome to Science class. Okay, and then let's edit this one a little bit. Let's align it and then enlarge it. Maybe let's make this one maybe yellow or white, something like that, because there are white chalk and yellow chalk. Let's choose our font here. Like this one. You can choose this one, or you can choose another color. You can choose another font. If you do not want that, if you want to make it as simple as that one, that's okay. Like this one. Okay, welcome to science class. There you go. So if you're going to present it, so you will have now your own virtual science classroom. But it depends whatever classroom you wanted to be like. Okay, what will be your virtual classroom look like? So if you're a science teacher, make it as much as possible as science virtual classroom, like this one. And if you're an English, Filipino, mathematics teacher, as much as possible, make your virtual classroom fit in your subject matter. So that's all for now. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. I hope you learned something today. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you are updated to my latest EduSci vlogs. Bye. Have a nice day.